Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is February 10th, Monday, and welcome back to school. Welcome back to work. No economic news release is scheduled for today. We do got a Janet Yellen's going to be giving her first testimony to Senate or Congress later this week, or basically, I think it's either Tuesday or Wednesday that she's going to be giving her first, and we're going to here touch on that one in a second. But right now, stock market's mixed. The Nasdaq is the only one that's been up. So when she appears in front of Congress, one of the representatives, Maloney, out of New York, basically said she's going to press Yellen on her tapering plans. So basically, because the jobs numbers came in a little bit disappointing in the last 2 months, she wants to see what's the Fed's current ideas or thoughts process. Are they going to continue the tapering? Are they going to pause? Are they going to stop? So she wants to try to get an answer. I would not expect to get a direct answer, as most of them will tell you that it's too early to tell. With 1 or 2 months worth of data, it's not going to be enough to really make a strong decision, especially when you look at a forecast that many of them are projecting around 3% growth this year for 2014. So expect not a non-direct answer, but the next meeting's not until March. So not only will we have December's and January's numbers, but we'll have February's numbers before their next meeting. So she'll be able to get to kind of gauge as to what's going to transpire between the next meeting. All right, so let's go ahead and jump to see how the bond market's doing with the interest rates. So right now we're actually looking pretty good. We're testing the upper ceiling part. We're up about 13 basis points from where we left off yesterday. That's enough for a slight improvement in the interest rates, and it's not even a step up because we did touch it with, as you can see, the wick there, and had that star, created this star angle, and I touched on the 200-day moving average. Now we're moving upwards, so this is kind of nice. I would expect this to probably remain this for the day. And if there's any surprise with the congressional, that could make some changes. But later on, we do got the retail sales. They'll probably kind of watch, see how retail did for the month of January. All right, so folks, so we'll just kind of leave it kind of short and sweet here. And again, slight improvement in the rates. So good news today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and see you guys tomorrow.